This is the 7th part of the question number 1 of exercise 3.4. This side is equal to this. We use here componendo and dividendo theorem, and we have to prove A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, and we take this. Now we take left hand side. This is the left hand side by taking LHS, this. Or here 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D over 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D. Now by using componendo dividendo theorem. This, and we write this plus this, and in the denominator this minus this. We write here 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D plus 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D over this minus this, 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D minus 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D. Okay. We arrange these 2A, this plus 2A, 3B and plus 3B, and 2C minus 2C plus 3D minus 3D. Here 2A plus 3B plus 2C, 2A, this B, sorry नहीं, वो A है, this is A, 2A 3B 2C plus 3D, and here minus 2A minus 3B plus 2C and plus 3D. This will cancel, this is also cancel. I will write here 4A plus 6B over this. We write arrange these 2A and minus 2A plus 3B minus 3B, 2C, this plus 2C and plus 2C, this plus 3D and this plus 3. This will cancel, this also cancel. We have is equal to 4A plus 6B over 4C plus 6D. Now again we take 2 common from this and write here 2A plus 3B over 2 common from this, 2C plus 3D, and 2 will cancel here, is equal to 2A plus 3B and 2C plus 3D, and this is our first result. We write this, and we now take the right hand side by taking RHS, and write here is equal to 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D, 2A minus 3b plus 2c minus 3d over 2a minus 3b minus 3b minus 2c and plus 3d. Again we read 2a minus 3b plus 2c minus 3d, 2a minus 3b minus 2c 3d. By using componendo dividendo theorem and right is equal to this 2a minus 3b plus 2c minus 3d plus 2a minus 3b minus 2c plus 3d over this minus this 2a minus 3b plus 2c minus 3d, again minus this 2a minus 3b minus 2c plus 3d. Again we arrange 2a and plus 2a, this minus 3b minus 3b minus 3d, 2c plus 2c minus 2c minus 3d plus 3d over 2a, write again 2a minus 3b plus 2c minus 3d, 3d, this minus 2a plus 3b plus 2c minus 3d. This will cancel, and we have in the numerator 4a minus 6b. Again 2a, this minus 2a minus 3b plus 3b, this plus 2c, this and plus 2c and minus 3d and this minus 3, and right here 4a minus 6b over, this will cancel, this also cancel, we have 4c minus 6d, and we write 2 common from this and 2a minus 3b over 2 common from this 2c minus 3d, and 2 will cancel, and we have 2a minus 3b over 2c minus 3d. Now this is our result 2. Now combining the result, by combining the result by combining the 1 and 2. This is our 1, this is our 1, this is our 1, 2a plus 3b over 2c plus 3d is equal to, now this is our second, 2a minus 3b over 2c minus 3d. Now this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. We have by using the component and dividend theorem. Now we write in ratio form 2a plus 3b and ratio 2c plus 3d is equal to 2a minus 3b ratio 2c minus 3d. Now by using here, by using alternando theorem, this, and alternando theorem is a ratio c is equal to B ratio D. Now we change this, we write this and we write this. This is the alternative theorem, and we write here 2A plus 3B and ratio 2A minus 3B is equal to 2C. This will right here and this will go right here. 2C plus 3D ratio 2C minus 3D. And now we write in fraction form 2A plus 3B over 2A minus 3B is equal to 2C plus 3D over 2C minus 3D. Now by using componendo dividendo theorem. Now 2A plus 3B plus 2A minus 3B over 2A plus 3B minus 2A minus 3B is equal to 2C plus 3D or plus 2C minus 3D. In the denominator 2C plus 3D minus 2C minus 3D, and we arrange this 2A plus 2A plus 3B minus 3B over 2A plus 3B minus 2A, this minus multiply inside, and plus 3B is equal to 2C, this plus 2C plus 3D minus 3D, and here 2C plus 3D, this minus multiply this 2C and plus 3D, and this will cancel, and we have 4A over, we arrange these 2A, this minus 2A plus 3B and plus 3B is equal, this will 4C and 3D and minus 3D is cancel. In the denominator we write 2C minus 2C plus 3D plus 3D. We again, this will cancel, 4A over 3B plus 3B 6B is equal to 4C over this will cancel 6D. Now multiply both sides, by 6 by 4. Now 6 by 4 multiply by 4A over 6B is equal to 6 by 4 multiply by 4C over 6D. Now this 4 will cancel this, 6 this, similarly 6 will cancel this, and we write here in the next page A over B ratio C over D. This is in fraction form. We write in A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Now we have to prove this, and proved this. This is the 8th part of the question of question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Now this is given, and we have to prove A ratio B is equal to C ratio B. Now we by using componendo dividendo theorem. A plus b, a square plus b square plus a square minus b square. This plus this, and here this minus this. A square plus b square and minus a square minus b square. We write in bracket because we have two terms is equal to AC plus BD and plus AC minus BD. This plus this over AC plus BD minus AC minus BD, this, and write here a square plus a square plus b square minus b square over a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. This will cancel, and we write here AC plus AC plus BD minus BD over this AC plus BD minus AC plus BD, this, and we write this will cancel this. You have 2a square over, we arrange these a square minus a square plus b square is equal to 2ac over ac minus ac and plus bd plus bd, this and this cancel. 2a square over 2b square is equal to 2ac over, this cancel, you have 2bd, this 2 cancel, and we have a square over b square is equal to ac over bd. We have to remove one a and b, and it means multiply both sides by b over a. Right here b over a multiply a square over b square is equal to b over a multiply by ac over bd. Now this a will cancel this a, we will have only a, and this b cancel this one and only one by b, and this b will cancel single this, write 1b, and this a will cancel this and we have only a. This a will cancel this and b will cancel this. You have only right side c over d. Now it is in fraction form. We write here a ratio b is equal to c ratio b. Now proved.